It is the one and only Ronin the Traveler. Back at it with another Airbnb in Piantini. This thing looks like a pretty good one. I'm just checking in. Apartment 5C. Let's do it. So coming in, the bag right there. Seems like a pretty good spot, but let me tell you, man, it's location, location, location. This is in the center of everything. Actually, the Ágora Mall is a 5-minute walk. You can see it from the roof. And I'm gonna go on the roof and show you the pool deck, but let's see. Got some cabinet space. Guess this is where they keep their stuff at. But when you come in here, man, got a nice little desk set up right here. One thing I like, you got the AC unit right there. Man, you'd be surprised at how many of these places in Santo Domingo don't have an AC in the front, or the AC be messed up or something like that. So this is definitely a win. You know I gotta have my Johnny Walker Black. Just got that. Got a nice seating area right here and a nice seating area right here. $50 a night. You know, these things subject to change, but man, it's a good deal. So let's check this out. Got a nice living room. Nice sofa, man. This sofa looks real good. I like the art, like the lighting. I'm definitely loving that it got a big TV in here, man. A lot of these places, they don't have big TVs in here. I'm a TV guy, man. I like to watch my stuff. This has a wonderful big TV. Let's see what's happening in this kitchen. Nice kitchen setup. Let's see, you know I like to see what's in the refrigerator. See, they put some water in here. Nope. Nope, no water, nowhere in here. Let's see. Got some ice. All right, so I'm gonna have to put in. The good thing is, that's one thing why I like this area. Okay, we went and got a washer and dryer. This is a huge plus in the units. Having a washer and dryer is a win, because you can wash your clothes, do whatever you gotta do. That's one thing I like about that. Also, for you fitness guys, you got your blender, got all this. See what it got, some glasses. You like to see what it got popping in here. Okay. All right, got some dishes and things like that. In case you want to cook. Me, I'm not cooking nothing I order. Same thing, man. Uber Eats here works very good. They got a couple of more. I only use Uber Eats. They give you a PIN code. Nobody can rip you off. People bring your stuff to you. Same thing with the Uber here. Uber here gives you a 4-digit PIN code that you use, and they're able to track you, make sure nobody's trying to rip you off, anything like that. Got some utensils. All right, got everything you kind of need to make it. Let's see what they got in here. Okay, got some pots and pans if you want to cook, or have somebody cook for you. That's not a stretch here. All right, got trash underneath here. Let's go check out where that magic happens at. Y'all be in there singing the Miley Brothers. Hearing them footsteps in the dark. Here we go. Bedroom right here, super big bed. Another big TV. Another huge TV. Another AC, that's a win. Man, I love to have the ACs, man. That is a win-win. Oh, we got some closet space. Yeah, you got a drawer, look. And you have a safe. For all you brothers always asking about the safe. So you can keep your things safe. You want a safe to keep your stuff safe. I know sometimes you might bring somebody over, a date or whatever you're meeting. You don't really know them. You want to lock your stuff up. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Definitely lock all your stuff up, you know. Definitely, and it gives you a sense of security if you go walk to the mall, go anywhere, you got your stuff locked up. So, because the mall is right. That's one thing, man. The mall is actually literally right over here. The Ágora Mall, it is a fast walk to the Ágora Mall. You're right there, less than 5 minutes away from the mall. That's a win. Again, TV's winning. Let's check this bathroom out. Hello out there in TV land. Got a nice bathroom right here. Your soaps and whatnot. Brothers always say, man, you don't be showing the toilet. All right, how we say the toilet. So here you go, brothers. Always say I don't show everything. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So overall, this is a pretty nice spot, man. You got everything. Look, they got one more bathroom I forgot to show you. Let's check this out. Come through. We have another bathroom right here for your guests. Again, if you have somebody to come over here with you, you have a bathroom that they can use or whatnot. I don't know if this thing has a balcony. Now this don't have a balcony, this one, but they have a pool deck. You can open this up, see what's popping. Yeah, this is a pretty good area. You know, people always ask me all the time, well, man, why do you recommend Piantini so much and not like Santo Domingo Este or other places? Look, those places are good. I actually stayed in Santo Domingo Este for like 8 months. And I just think a lot of my audience are first-time travelers coming here to Santo Domingo. The city central area, they'll be more used to it. They'll be more accustomed. It's a great area for a person coming by. And you're gonna have a lot of stores, a lot of restaurants, a lot of things you can do, a lot of gyms over here. And it's pretty safe. You know, you always gotta watch yourself, but you don't have to keep your head like that all the time over here. It's a lot better. I walk around here a lot. I've never had any problems too much. So that's why. Now, when I was in Santo Domingo Este, I ran into little knick-knack issues before. So when new people coming, I recommend staying in this area first, and then as you start learning the area a little bit more, then you could branch out. I did it the opposite. I went to a different area first because I didn't know what the world I was doing. At the time, there weren't really too many people talking about Santo Domingo. All the dudes was just talking about Sosua that was coming to the DR. So yeah, man, overall this is a nice looking place. And I'm gonna go on the pool deck and I'm gonna show you guys what that looked like. And you let me know what you need to do about this, man. This place is good, man. Any question you have, man, put it in the comments or email me at RonintheTraveler@gmail.com. And I'm going to put the link to this place in the description. If you want to stay here, you want to reach out to the people, you can do it. Overall, for $50 a night, it's a win to me. You know, I had to stay in an Airbnb in the States recently, and it was like $280 a night. I couldn't believe it. And I done got so used to these DR prices, I'm spoiled. So I'm gonna let you guys check it out, man. Thank you guys for rocking out with the channel. Thank all you guys that's in the channel members. It means a lot. So I'm about to check out of the Airbnb. Had a good stay here. Few things. The only thing I didn't like about this place, two things I didn't like about it. Everything else was fine. Let me tell you what I like though first. The location here is phenomenal. You're right next to the mall. You're right next to everything. This is one of the best spots that you can get to everything quick, very safe, very cool. Now that's one thing that I do like about it. And now I'm gonna give you the things I didn't like about this Airbnb. One thing here in Dominican Republic, power will cut out. I mean, power will just go out for no rhyme or reason. So you have to be prepared for it. And most Airbnbs gonna have a generator, a big generator, or they have inverters in the unit. For some reason, this building, when the power went out, it was out yesterday for a good while. It didn't bother me none, but some people might have a problem with that. I don't know if the generator was down or if they don't have a generator. I have to find out. So that's a problem I had. And it had little knick-knack little things in here. You know, it needs a little maintenance, but other than that, it was a great place. Even though they're doing construction next door, I didn't hear a whole lot of it. So this is a pretty solid building. It was pretty quiet. I stayed in a place a couple of blocks over, man. They were doing construction at 5 a.m. All day. You couldn't really do what you needed to do. So this place is good for that. But besides the power, little maintenance issues, this place would be perfect. So I like to give guys the good, the bad, and the ugly anywhere I stay at. I want you guys to always be safe because I appreciate you rocking out my channel. That's why this channel is so special. We go into different things and I'm always gonna try to put you somewhere safe. And look, another thing, They didn't have a pool deck. That could be a deal breaker to some people. At least I didn't see a pool or a gym. Maybe it's hidden. I don't know. I couldn't find it. So if I got to look that hard for it, maybe they don't have it. So this place I think is perfect for a person who want to see the city, like right, because you right here in the heart of the city. Uber is everywhere around here. DoorDash, your food, like Uber Eats, I use that a lot here. They work pretty good. They give you a PIN code so nobody can try to rip you off. And same thing with the drivers. Uber works good. Here you want to ride the Zona Colonial and see your surrounding areas, or you just want to walk. There's plenty of restaurants and things to do in walking distance. So it's good. Just wanted to say that, man. Thank you guys for rocking out with the channel. We are out.